Hello everybody and welcome to day 23 of lockdown. It was another no-show last night from the fox. The camera did trigger, but only the once, and there was nothing else other than that. So back to the drawing board. So I'll be staying in and around the log area, but I'm going to be trying a different place yet again. I've sort of resorted to the fact that I'm not always going to get video footage. I've got over the disappointment of getting home and not finding any clips, so I've kind of got over that now, but it is kind of disappointing when you don't get anything. But we'll keep trying. We'll just try another area. You don't want to be seeing the same clips over and over again, so I've got to vary it. So the guy I told you about the other night, Paul Outdoors, who purchased the HC 100 camera, which is the same as I'm using, he's had it out in the woods for a couple of nights, and apparently he's been to collect the camera. He's checked his footage, and he's got over 100 clips. A lot of birds, squirrels, and there's a rat on there as well. But he's also got a badger. I mean, he did put it near a badger set, and he got a badger. I'm really pleased for you, Paul. Really pleased. A tiny little bit jealous. I'd love to be able to get a badger on camera. That'd be really good. But yeah, I'm really pleased for you, and I'm really looking forward to seeing the footage. It's the sloe bush that's started to flower. Now, much that I love coming down here every night, filming is becoming a nightmare. Because of the lockdown, I think this must be a time when people are coming out just to get some fresh air, which is fine. But it doesn't have to make filming hard work. Constantly having to look over my shoulder and check there's nobody coming or somebody coming up ahead. Because you do look a bit silly when you sat talking to you, well, not sat, but walking along talking to yourself. Yeah, I think with the good weather as well, everybody's coming out. It's just busy. I don't like it busy. I like to be on my own. The more of these lockdown videos I do, and the more I'm trying to get different content. And 23 videos in, it gets quite difficult. I wish I could bring you something unique every night, but when you're limited to the route you can go on, there's only so many things you can film. It's great when you get the animal footage on the wildlife camera, but as we've seen, we don't always get it. So some nights you're going to get great content. Well, I think it's good anyway. And other nights are going to be like tonight, where it's just me doing my walk, a few fancy sunset pictures, and that's about it. But at least I'm still getting out, getting some fresh air, getting some exercise, and that's what it was all about right from the start. So stick with me, and I'll try and get you some better content as the nights go on. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a thumbs up as always, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which is here, or the one down there, you know by now. Don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.